I'm Satvik. Today I'm going to explain the assignment I have done. So basically, our assignment is taking the information from air pollution.api underscore API, this REST API, and we should check the AQI, air quality index, and if it is between 85 to 100, we should turn on the LED. We should change the LEDs light to orange, and if it is less than 85, then it to green, and above 100, we should turn them to red. So this is the API, and this is the unique key provided by the BitSpy to every user. Uh, basically, I am only stimulating it using debug nodes as lack of LEDs. So what I have done is like uh, I have dragged an inject node. This is an inject node, and an HTTP node, and connected these two nodes. So in HTTP request node, this is the method. Method should be get, as we are getting the JSON object from the website. So we should keep the method as get, and in place of URL we should replace with this. Like I am getting the API of this. API of India, and API of India. So this is the API. This is the API. So from that I am using a function. I am taking the AQI index. So in this this is sent as a payload, and in this payload we should want data, like dot data, payload dot data. We will get all this entire this thing, and from this we want AQI params. So we have referenced AQI params as AQI params is an array. So this is AQI params. So as AQI params is an array, uh, we can take any of these values. Like I have taken like 107. So AQI params of 0 refers to this first object. I have taken this one, and I have sent it as a payload, message payload, and message payload. Then I have used a switch node, like to lighting the LED, and use it and return this code like logic uh, to switch on the proper light on LED. Like if it is above 100, it will call red node. If it is below 85, it will call green node, and if it is in between 85 and 100, it will call orange node. So this is what I have done. So once I will deploy it. So here you can see the node red. So this is the node that has output 107. As it is greater than 100, the red LED will be glowing. If it is less than 100, what we can do? So here in API index less than 100, array. So in AQI params, third object has an AQI value of 71, which is less than 100. So if we access it by mentioning 2, done. So deploy. So green node will be outputting the message, like it is just stimulating that the green light will be glowing in LED. So this is my project. Thank you.